Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will have our second class on the topic directed writing or report writing. And today we will learn about article, feature article and speech writing. Before I start today's class, I would like to answer Orithro Raha. Orithro, you have asked me that what are anecdotes and sharing statistics. See, I think if you watch each video minutely, automatically you get the answer. Anyway, anecdote means to anecdote or staring study both the thing mean that you a very trivial thing or a very small thing uh, can be represented in a very in a very nice way, in a grand way, so that and when the thing just when you complete your explanation, the reader, whoever will be reading, will find that oh, this trivial thing and presented in such a grand way. So that is called anecdote or staring statistics. Means a very simple thing, a very small thing, or a very trivial thing, but presented in a nice way. So if you start your writing with certain anecdotes, it will definitely leave a nice impression. That if you can explain such a simple thing in such a way, that means you have the capability to create something of your very own. I hope you are answered, Orithro. Now Shantani, definitely I can provide you, my dear, but if you need that, then you need to send me your email address, otherwise how can I send? So those who are sending me mails, and if you need something in written form, please try to send me your email address so that I can send you samples for each time. I hope you got my point, Shantani. Please send me another mail where you will be mentioning your own email ID so that I can send you your requirement. So let us discuss now about feature article or article writing. So in case of article writing, it is quite similar. It is also a part of report, so it's quite similar. Only you need to, it deals with contemporary social trends or social issues. Okay, it can be a discussion on some issues of contemporary and social importance, where you need to provide your own point of view, and there is means by a staff reporter, place, date, or the means occurrence of the event. These things are not required in case of article writing. So article writing, I hope you all got my point. In case article writing, feature article, generally it deals with some contemporary social issues where you need to explain your own point of view from a biased, means you cannot be you need to be unbiased, you cannot be biased. Just like an observer, you will be explaining your things. Sometimes you can be, means whatever, you have the freedom to represent it in a way you feel like, and you need not to mention by a staff reporter or place or date or time. So this is the guideline for article. Today we will also come to know about speech writing. Speech writing, you all know, many times you all provide speech, or you all write also. So instantly you all can do that. Only need to remember certain things, that you need to start your speech with salutation, greeting the chief guest or dignitaries present over there, and the other speaker as well as the audience. So this thing you all do and you know it very well. So these are the things, these are the points that you need to present your speech in such a way that you can hold on the attention, you can hold the attention of the audience, and you can start with a catchy phrase or a witty quick. That means you can start with a witty remark. Okay, and you can, here also you can introduce anecdotes. Anecdotes means you can anecdotes means a very trivial, a very small, simple thing, but presented in a grand way. So quotations or some thought-provoking questions also can be included. It's going to, if you include it, it makes your speech quite interesting. Okay, and you need to when finally you conclude your speech, you must be summing up your arguments in a clear, concise and logical manner. Okay, in case as you all do in case of debate and all. So while you when you just come to the end of your speech, try to prove yourself to be logical, and your argument or whatever your presentation, it should be clear and concise. So these are the guidelines for speech writing and article writing. I hope you all got all these things. Once again, I want all of you to go through the rules, and you will get two tasks in your worksheet, one article, another speech. Try to write it in your own way, and if you need samples, I can definitely provide. Then you need to write me, and you need to obviously send me your mail address so that I can means whatever you want I can provide. So this much for today. Try to remain safe and fit. Keep on doing your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.